Hi, this is a comprehension task on elephants and the fact that elephants were close, very, very close to extinction in the Far East in a country called Malaysia. And in 1974, the Malaysian government started a initiative called the Malaysian Elephant Translocation setup, whereby they would get elephants, working elephants in particular, and home them and give them support for them to actually mate and have more baby elephants. So in this instance, the population went up from 500 to 1,200, 1,200 elephants in around about 20 odd years. So absolutely a great initiative. And the author is experiencing him or herself within this particular elephant range, whereby they can see the amazing intelligence of the elephants. So this particular task is all about reading and understanding the text and answering the follow-up questions. So good luck with this.